Hello, Debra Jason here with Creative Whispers of the Heart. And today we're painting Easter eggs with alcohol inks. Here are a dozen eggs and one that I've already painted using Brea Reese medium magenta. In this video, we're going to paint an egg using Purple Twilight from Ranger Inks. By the way, these eggs are plastic, they're not real. I dab a little ink on a Q-tip and get started. Basically, I just take that Q-tip and start dabbing around the egg, one section at a time. If you have Tim Holtz's mini applicators, those work as well. Just start dabbing. You could move it around and swirl it kind of like a paintbrush if you prefer. And then when I have enough of the area covered, what I'm going to do is add a little bit of Pinata Brass. Everybody loves metallics, and they add some beautiful veins to the egg. My metallic is already pre-mixed with some alcohol, 99%. And I just pour it on the egg and start to swirl the egg around. Then I continue dabbing onto the next section. I'm going to add a little bit more Purple Twilight and continue to dab. You can see how easy and how fun it is. Then I'm going to add some more Pinata Brass. Swirl it around. Look at those beautiful gold veins that are forming. I know it's Pinata Brass, but it looks gold, doesn't it? Blowing the dryer to move the ink around and to dry it. By the way, these dry pretty quickly. Continuing to dab until the whole egg starts to get covered. At this point, I'm taking just plain 99% isopropyl alcohol, swirling it, moving it around with the dryer, and then guess what? I continue to dab. Add a little bit more ink, get that egg fully covered, and of course, what do you think I'm going to do next? Add some more Pinata Brass. Always remember to shake that metallic up. Swirl it around, dab a little bit more, give it that marbleized look. One more dab of Pinata Brass. Drying it off with the dryer. And I think we're done. There you go. Magenta and purple eggs. Here's a half a dozen with cobalt, with yellow, with patina from Ranger Inks, with Calabasa Orange from Pinata, and Sunbright Yellow. Please remember to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel.